Nestled in a vibrant Melbourne suburb lies a haven of comfort and familiarity, Harry House. This stunning residence, designed by Archier, draws inspiration from the rich tapestry of Japanese aesthetics, creating a space that feels both timeless and uniquely personal. The story of Harry House begins with a charming weatherboard cottage, a relic of a bygone era. The homeowners, a young family, envisioned a space that retained the warmth of the existing structure while embracing a fresh perspective. Their brief to Archier: to weave in the essence of Japan, a country deeply rooted in the family's heritage. Archier rose to the challenge, transforming the home with a thoughtful extension. The original entryway, imbued with a sense of belonging, was preserved. The living area, however, underwent a clever reorientation, now framing the lush greenery of the garden. This ingenious approach maximized space while beautifully integrating the past with the present. Harry House, named after the family's beloved dog, is a testament to the power of thoughtful design. Functionality and aesthetics dance in perfect harmony. The materials were meticulously chosen, honest and robust, ready to withstand the joys and messes of family life. Textured surfaces, rough yet brimming with character, add warmth and depth to the atmosphere. At the heart of Harry House lies a deep connection between its inhabitants. Dedicated living areas seamlessly connect, fostering togetherness and shared experiences. Cleverly designed soft mesh areas occupy empty spaces, providing flexible and comfortable zones for relaxation without the need for conventional furniture. Archier's extension injects a touch of childlike wonder into the space. Playful design elements evoke a sense of adventure, reminiscent of childhood treehouses. This playful spirit resonates with the family's young members, creating a space that sparks their imaginations.